welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we're working here on that BMW 3 Series guys, generation E90, 91, 92, 93, and if you're trying to find the fuse for the blower motor, we'll show you that now. Okay, I'm talking the blower motor for the heater inside, okay, for the controls here as well, and the blower motor is located under the glove box. So if your blower motor doesn't work, that could be one of the things. Now let me tell you that we have more than 200 videos on this car taking everything apart, so please subscribe to the channel for more videos. In addition guys, this BMW uses 3 different fuse boxes depending when your BMW was built, so always double check that you have the same equipment like we do. Double check everything with your manual to make sure that this is the correct fuse for you. So the fuse box is right behind the glove box. Okay, we need to open it right here now, and you can see those round things. We need to turn them to point up. Okay, the same on this side, and that panel will come loose. Okay, just like that. Now we need to go ahead and locate fuse number 67. Okay, fuse 67. If you look on the bottom, let me get the red thing to show you. Okay, 67 will be the third big fuse on the very bottom from left to right. One, second one is missing, third one is the one that we need. That 67 fuse guys, this is the one. Okay, for the blower motor fan. Okay, this one right here. Now I'll get the new one. You can see where we get the replacement ones in the description of the video below. Okay, this is the fuse. Okay, the new one, when you look at the light, you're supposed to see a non-burnt fuse. Okay, that element should be continuous. If it's burnt, it will be missing part of it. Okay, and when you install it, make sure that you get in the correct place again. In our case, it's the third from left to right. You can see just like that. After that, all you need to do, okay, is to go ahead and install your cover here. Okay, now this cover, you need to make sure that it aligns really good on both sides. Okay. Ours, I didn't get it like I should. Okay, perfect. And let me switch right here, turn right, it's ready to go. Close this thing guys, and that's the whole video. So hopefully the video will be helpful to you guys. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos, give a like, and see you guys next time.